Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be planning out the week of February 8th through February 14th, Valentine's Day week. Let's go back and take a look at the current week. This is how everything is kind of looking right now. It was actually a very well used week in my planner, so I'm very happy about that. Some of my habits kind of fell by the wayside, but that's perfectly fine. I'm going to try and pick it back up this week. It is actually Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know about you guys, but we are watching the Super Bowl here at my house. We really love football here, and although honestly this past year I have not really watched sports a whole lot. It's just not been on my radar really as far as things to pay attention to. So all right, let's move on. So this week I'm actually going to be using a kit from the Chrissy Ann Designs Celebrations collection. I went back and forth on this simply because I had not had a chance to order any of the add-ons, and I was going to use something totally different. I didn't order a Valentine's Day kit in time, but I did have my Celebrations collection binder, and I knew that it would probably be best if I just use what I have, so that's what I decided to do. And then I just pulled some stickers from other Chrissy Ann Designs sheets to sort of make it a whole kit. And I'm also going to pull out some Simply Gilded washi here. I haven't used Simply Gilded washi in so freaking long, and my camera is like, it's just too, I don't know, the bows are throwing things off, but I think that's what I'm going to use there. There aren't any date covers, so I'll have to do that. But other than that, this kit is like really pretty. I like the grays mixed in with the purples and the blues, just something that you don't really see too often with Valentine's Day kits. So I'm gonna start by putting the washi across the bottom there, and I did make sure to grab my cutter. This is a Fiskars one. I think we got this at one of the Go Wilds. I'm like losing track of what we got from what Go Wild, but I do know that it is from there. And I'm using this gigantic ruler that I grabbed from Amazon, but it has come in so handy. It really has. Alright, so I've got the washi down on the bottom. This kit does come with some additional washi, and I'm just going to kind of use that across the top here. I haven't used like the Simply Gilded bow washi in so long. Remember when that was like in everyone's spread, like every single week, and everyone was on a mission to just find something that matched the kit that they were using? Like I don't know if people are still using it as much or what, but I have certainly backed off of just using washi in general. And I've honestly gotten rid of a lot of my washi, but it seems like the one washi tape that I will still hold on to is the Simply Gilded washi. Like that stuff's not going anywhere. Plus I have like a ton of it, like a lot. And I haven't gotten the subscription in quite a while because I just realized I wasn't even getting to use it. But if there are like releases and things like that that I like, then I will order. But man, I've got a lot of it, so I can't get this sticker off my finger. Okay, so there we are for the sort of like base of the kit. So this kit does come with a couple of full boxes, so I think I'm going to put those down on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday just to kind of you know, even things out for the week. The funny thing is that I have actually ordered a Valentine's Day kit from Planner Kate, but I actually just ordered it too late. I've been like off my game with ordering sticker kits, and I just haven't been getting them in time. But in a way, it's been nice because I've been able to focus on using what I have, like I've said before. So let's use this weekend sticker. I love that these little mini kits that are in the Celebrations collection include mini weekend stickers. I think that's like so cool. All right, so let's start off with I think I will use these 3 event labels for the videos for the week. There's a lot of like decorative stuff on here, and I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can, but we'll see how far that goes. All right, so we've got those down. Next up, I want to do my work meetings, which I think I will use some of these appointment labels that I pulled because I do have a meeting on Tuesday, Thursday. There is one on Friday, but I won't, or I'm sorry, on Wednesday, but I will not be there for it. So I only have to put 2 down. I'm not entirely, I'm not entirely sad about that at all. Okay, so I did go ahead and grab a couple of workout stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs. I wish that I had these in like gray or in this blue color, but I just don't. But I wanted to mark the days that I work out in the evening, which would, for the work week anyway, which would be Monday and Wednesday, because my editing days are Tuesday and Thursday. So I'm going to use those there. And then I want to do something for Saturday. Probably not going to work out Sunday. Let's be real about that. So let's just pull a purple one for Saturday. So this just might be a 3-day or 3 days per week of working out, and that's totally fine. All right, so I've got those down. I haven't scheduled any classes through the Peloton app for this week, but maybe this afternoon I can sit down and do that and just see what's available. If not, I'm probably just going to log into one of their programs and do like a pre-recorded video, which actually worked really well for me this last week. All right, so on Tuesday is when I'm going to edit, and this kind of didn't work out because these stickers are, I don't have a kit, so there's not as much as I can do as far as like getting things to match, which is fine. And I think I'm just gonna use this one for Thursday. That'll kind of balance things out. And I pulled a couple of these edit stickers, and I grabbed the ones that are a little too small, but that is okay. They actually look good there, especially that one with like the little flower on there. I like the way that it looks anyway. All right, so that is that for the evening, Monday through Thursday. On Wednesday, I finally have a hair appointment, and I want to use this sticker right here. This was the hair appointment that I had to reschedule due to having to be quarantined. And I'm really, really excited to have this hair appointment scheduled. I'll try to put a picture right here of what I am thinking of getting. I have been on Pinterest for the last couple of weeks, as I normally do before I have a hair appointment, to just kind of figure out what the heck I want to do, or if I just want to keep doing what I'm doing. And I'm feeling like it is time to cut a few inches off of my hair and change some things up a little bit. So I think that's the direction I am going to go in. But I am excited to finally have this appointment. Also, we cannot forget that Wednesday is payday. I'm trying to get some more blue up in here. So I think we'll use that one for payday on Wednesday. And Wednesday is just like a big open space right here, but I think that that'll be fine. All right, so we've got that down, and then let's move on to Friday. I'm kind of leaving a lot of open space here, but I think that that's going to be okay. All right, what do we want? There's a lot of these decorative pieces that I'm trying to figure out, like, where would I use this? But I think this one would be cute on Wednesday. Tie in the midweek, this little photo hanging thing. That looks cute, but then I don't know what to do over here. I will figure it out. All right, Friday. Friday night is our usual movie night. I don't have our, we have a meeting that's every other Friday there, and that's not happening that day, so I don't have to worry about that. And I think I'm just gonna put, oh, is that like popcorn? I can't tell if that's popcorn. That looks like it's popcorn. That would be perfect for movie night. Not really sure what we were watching that night. What series did we start this week? I'm trying to remember. Or maybe we didn't. That was the week before. We started The Queen's Gambit. That's actually pretty good, but we haven't caught up with any episodes this week, so maybe that's something that we will jump into. But that show has been pretty awesome. All right, moving on. So on Saturday evening, I think we're gonna do some usual planner time. We don't really do a whole lot for Valentine's Day, so it's probably going to be like a family event thing where we make a special meal. I don't know. We're just not into the whole like hallmarkness of Valentine's Day. We don't do flowers or extravagant gifts or anything like that. It's just not our style. I don't know if you guys do. I would love to hear down in the comments if you guys do. I'm kind of forgetting what the heck I'm looking for here, but I'm looking for a plan sticker. Okay, these are a bold colors. I don't know if I even want to use these. The black could come in handy. I wish it were gray, so I'll have to add that to the list of things to order. And I think that there is another sheet that has, where did it go? It's like this crafting sheet. Let's see. I thought there was a pen on here, but I might have already used it. This one, it looks like a marker. This will work. Close enough, right? Close enough. And it's pink, so it works perfectly. All right. Let's get that out of the way. And then on Sunday, I think I'm gonna film there. Is it weird to film on Valentine's Day? I guess not, right? Not for us anyway. Put that here because it's usually about this time, about like the noon, somewhere afternoon, like right after lunch, where I film, and that's going to be for the plan with me for the week. I do want to use the Valentine's Day sticker. There's one that comes on here on this sheet, but I kind of like this one. That's also from the Celebrations collection. So I think that's what we're gonna go with. All right, I think that that will work. And then on Sunday, I do wanna put some grocery pickup. Although this week I was on it and we did our grocery pickup yesterday. So I did it on a Saturday. So that could happen again, especially because I'm not so sure that I wanna do that on Sunday, but we'll see what the grocery pickup schedule looks like for the week. I may just still decorate this bottom area of Valentine's Day just because these are all just too cute and I want to use them up. That looks adorable. All right, so there is that. Now let's get to the sidebar. I need to get some of these sticker binders out of my way, which are totally crowding me over here. Let's see, I think that I want to do, I thought there was a header or something that I could use here, but I will just use this one and just write this week on it. And maybe I can pair it with like that cute little cupcake, which I definitely want to use. So I'll just move this over just a little bit to the left so that we can fit this there. So cute. Okay, we are getting to use the decorative stuff, which is awesome. All right, there's not checklists that go with this, which is totally fine, but I do want to focus on my hat. Is that crooked? It looks crooked. I'm not sure if it's crooked. Okay, let's work on some habits. I'm really liking the way this has ended up so far. I'm going to put in this spot our meals for the week, and then I'm gonna put the weather up there, but let's do the habits. And again, I have to like scoot everything out of the way so I can actually write on the sheets, but so far this has been working. There are some goals that I need to really focus on, like unplugging from my phone. We will get there. We will get there. All right, so I'm just gonna write these in, and what I'm gonna stick with is the AM and PM routine, hydration, sleep, really trying to get to that 8 hours, but right now I'm steadily between a 6 and 7 as far as hours of sleep, which is not ideal for me. Unplug, checking in with my goals, and my skincare, which is actually part of my PM routine, so I don't know if we need to change that. You know what, I might change that to reading. Also part of my PM routine, but oh my goodness, I'll figure it out. All right, so those are in, and then one other thing that I want to include for this week is the weather. I have been using these stickers from Planner Kate, which I've really been liking. Let's see what the weather is looking like here. All right, so it looks like it's just going to be a rainy, awful mess. And hopefully it doesn't actually stay that way, but that's what it's looking like it's gonna be. And what I typically do is only write in Monday through Thursday, and then on Thursday I will write it in for the rest of the week. I guess I can't complain too much about the weather. It's going to be almost 70 for a couple of days, but it's just going to be a rainy, gross mess. I really like the way that looks, and I like the Planner Kate stickers because they're circles, but I like that they're not, like, the circle's not outlined, so it kind of looks just like a doodle, which is really cute. All right, and then another little extra thing that I love adding that Planner Kate recently came out with is these sort of wacky holidays that she added. Let me cover up my pen before I write on my planner. And I don't use them for every single day, but some of these I think are like really cute. So the 8th is Clean Out Your Computer Day. I wish that I could actually get that done, but I'm not sure that that's gonna happen on that day. The 9th is National Pizza Day. I wish that I had known that before I did our menu. And the 11th is Make a Friend Day. As long as I don't have to do that at work, we're good. Okay. The 12th is National Lost a Penny Day. That's interesting. With our coin shortage, we have definitely lost some pennies. All right, and then the 14th is actually National Organ Donor Day, which is obviously a very important day. And we're just gonna kind of squeeze that in right there. All right, so that is everything that I have for this week. It's like a pretty basic week for me, but I'm sure that there will be more to add in throughout the week. All right, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, make sure that you click that notification bell. That will help you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.